Let's take a look here now at the skills for Google Certified Educator Level 2 Gmail Scenario 3. In this scenario, we're taking a look on how to enable custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail, and then where you can access them and customize them after they've been enabled. So let's go and start here in Gmail. We're going to go to our settings, and we're going to go to See All Settings. We're going to come over here to the Advanced tab, and we're going to go right here where it says Custom Keyboard Shortcuts, and I will click Enable. And then I click Save Changes, and it's going to go ahead and refresh my browser for a second. And now they will now be enabled in Gmail. What this allows you to do is to not to have to use your mouse to do a lot of the commands necessary in Gmail. So instead of clicking everywhere, if you're good with the keyboard, you can just do these quick keyboard combinations here and do a lot of the things that you do all the time in Gmail, whether it's composing a message, deleting a message, so on and so forth. So if you want to see what they are, now that it's been enabled, we're going to go back to our settings, and we're going to go to See All Settings again. And now we're going to see that you have a keyboard shortcuts tab right here. I'm going to click there. And now here it shows you all the different things you can do without having to use your mouse. So you can take a look at all these. You can change them. You can add your own by clicking in here to give alternative ones here as well. So you have a lot of different ways that you can customize your keyboard shortcuts. So again, here in the settings, click on the keyboard shortcuts, and these are the default ones. And then you can then add alternative ones here as well if that works better for you and your workflow.